Example problem on resultant of forces. Determine the magnitude and direction of FB if the resultant force of the two tugboats is 3 kN directed along the positive x axis. So, ito yung figure natin. Meron tayong dalawang tugboats A and B, and force FA is given as 2 kN and 30 degrees siya measured from the horizontal or positive na x-axis. Tapos si FB naman, hindi given yung magnitude, tsaka hindi rin given yung direction. So, yun yung pinapahanap sa atin, no? Given na yung resultant force ng dalawang forces FA and FB is 3 kN and then directed along the positive x-axis. So, kung i-drawing natin yung resultant force natin, horizontal lang siya, no? Which is along the positive x-axis. Ito na ngayon yung resultant natin na force. Okay, so pag i-drawing natin to sa isang triangle, magiging ganito yung itsura niya, no? So, we have 2 kN which is 30 degrees from the horizontal. And then, of course, given yung resultant force natin which is 3 kN na horizontal siya, purely horizontal. So, directed along the positive x-axis. Then, we have FB which is hindi natin alam yung angle niya from the horizontal. And then, makikita natin dito sa figure natin na equal lang yung dalawang angles dito, no? So, itong angle na to tsaka yung angle na yan, equal lang yan kasi pareho lang yung angle na to tsaka yung angle dito. So, parehong theta lang yan. Okay? So, based dito sa triangle natin, meron tayong given na dalawang sides and then given din yung angle in between and required yung side na opposite ng given na angle. So, pwede natin gamitin dito is yung cosine law. Ito yung general na equation ng cosine law which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine alpha. Yung alpha is yung opposite ng side c. And then, for this particular na sample problem, yung c squared natin is si FB. So, meron tayong FB squared, si A naman si 2, and then B is 3. So, A squared plus B squared minus 2 times AB cosine of 30 degrees which is the angle in between the given sides. So, kung ikakalculate natin, makukuha natin dyan is 1.61. Confirm lang natin dito sa calculator natin. Pwede natin i-evaluate yan diretso or gagamitin natin yung shift solve ng calculator natin. So, shift solve tayo. So, isulatan natin yung equation. So, x squared equals 2 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 3 cosine of 30 degrees. So, ang lalabas na sagot dyan is 1.61 na magnitude ng force FB natin. So, confirm naman yung number na to. So, ibabox na natin. So, ito na ngayon yung magnitude ng resultant force natin. 1.61 kN. Okay? And then, balik tayo dito sa figure natin. Ang next na kukunin natin, meron na tayong magnitude. And then, next is direction. So, yung theta lang, no? Yung theta, which is measured from the positive x-axis. So, meron tayong 2 kN. Tapos, meron tayong unknown na angle. Meron tayong nakuha na FB. And then, we have the given 30 degrees. So, pwede natin gamitin dyan si sine law. So, 2 divided by the opposite na angle, sine ng opposite na angle, tapos FB divided by the sine naman ng opposite na angle. Okay, so ito na yung equation. 2 divided by sine theta, yung unknown, equals 1.61 divided by sine 30. So, lipat mo lang yan sa kabila, lipat mo din ito sa kabila, at saka lipat mo din yan. So, magiging ganito yung equation natin. Pwede natin i-evaluate diretso yan, or pwede din natin isulat sa calculator, no? Para i-evaluate na lang natin para maiba naman yung equation natin or solution natin. Okay? So, we have 2 times sine 30, positive 1 lang yan, divided by 1.61. And then, shift sine para maging arc sine siya ng answer. You get 38.4 degrees. So, ito na ngayon yung final answer natin. Okay? So, yun, ibabox na rin natin. Ito yung direction niya measured from the horizontal or yung positive na x-axis. Ito yun, no? Yung theta na yan, which is this one. Equivalent lang siya dito sa theta natin sa triangle. Okay? So, I think yun na yun para sa sample problem na to. And thank you again for watching and see you sa mga next na mga sample problems natin. Thank you!